guys, today we're gonna take frozen burgers straight from the freezer and bake them to perfection. I'm gonna show you my tips and tricks so yours turn out great. Hey, I'm Laura, and on my channel I have a lot of simple videos like this one and easy recipes that help you cook more at home. If that's your jam, hit the red subscribe button. You and I can cook together a couple times a week. So here I have frozen burgers. I just took them out of the freezer and I have the oven preheating to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. You can bake the frozen burgers directly on a baking sheet, but when you do that, the burger kind of cooks in its own grease, and that's totally okay. If you have one of these cookie cooling racks, what's really helpful is to place it on top of your baking sheet and then take your burger and place it right on top. This way, as it cooks, the grease will drip into the pan and help the hot air circulate around your burger, similar to a barbecue grate outside. You can cook your burgers just like that, straight in the oven, but if you like your meat seasoned, personally, I like to take some garlic salt and place it right over the top of my burgers. This is gonna help give a little bit of seasoning to my burger meat. You can also use your favorite all-purpose seasoning too. Now I'm gonna bake these in my preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes, depending on the thickness of your burger. You can always use a meat thermometer to check for doneness so the burgers are cooked just the way you like them. And just like that, these burgers are done. This is why I love using the cookie rack. Check it out. All the grease is at the bottom and your burgers are nicely done. If you want to add cheese on top of your burgers, you could do that directly in the oven for about a minute before they come out so they're nice and melty. Otherwise, you can bring them out and dress them as you like. And of course, the burgers are cooked all the way through. Let me show you. These burgers are ready to be served. Check out this next video. See you next time.